My people, now your girl Dark Choco. This now the one for our adventure. We say we went out to market for Abuja, buy anything where we go need. Now so we buy all the buyable, we buy chicken, we buy everything. Sha. Now so we call say okay, maybe enter Abasha Barak, Yamami market, we go find small fish, we go shop for road. Now so we enter the place, find a big place, plenty fish, full everywhere. Any fish where you find it for here. Now so we call it one we want buy, we call buy and they grill am. We call carry they go where we go camp for the night. The place na greenhouse farm resort for Kurudu. Na so we take enter this place fine well very nature like, as in over fine the warrior. You see that my girl Yeti be that, and my Clara be this, and then Moyo, this na Moyo. Hunger don dey kill a belle for you, and Ahmed be this. So after we don't come down from the car, we come access the place. I say make I show now the place fine. The place fine well. I know life for now. Very beautiful resort. So now so we call go where we could sit down, maybe shop because hunger want tear our belly for here, and everybody don't tire. Now we come begin digging for the fish where we buy. We shop fish. We can go set our tent where we go sleep for the night. This place fine where we. So because say okay, me enter love God. The person like me will love not find me. I say my enter love God, what I will see love. And so I take enter. I see my girl lover girl 80. And then because say okay, me enter the swimming pool, maybe we swim small, make our body for cooler for the long journey where we don't take. And so we take enter. See how the pool fine where we put small alcohol for body, small alcohol now talk. Then see the guys that they enjoy the pool. And see me now, me go enter the water like this. I say okay, you know how we do it. I just dey boogie down. Then we can play small game, and then we can call it a day. Bye.